Hi. So we are Equipulse, and we are building a real-time blood pressure monitoring system. Around 50% of adults in the United States suffer from hypertension. So having a wearable, real-time, and continuous blood pressure monitoring system will be very beneficial. The cuff is, unfortunately, not continuous, although it is accurate, and it's very uncomfortable, so it cannot be used for longer duration. The other way is to use PPG. And PPG is basically used to extract the pulse waveform and feed it into an AI model, which can be used to estimate blood pressure. Unfortunately, PPG does not work very well with darker skin tones. So if that data is being fed into an AI model, then around 40% of people in the United States stand to experience negative medical outcome because they're people of color. And that's absolutely unacceptable. On top of that, PPG also suffers from technical challenges like motion artifacts and contact issues. Our technology plans to eradicate all of these problems using radio frequency. Radio frequency, being outside the visible spectrum, does not get affected by dark skin tone. We extract this pulse wave from the individual using radio frequency, feed it into our AI model, and use that to estimate blood pressure. On top of that, our system is very robust. Since it's a non-contact system, it does not experience any problems with motion artifacts and does not have any contact issues either. And the best part is that it's a very easily implementable solution. We are using Wi-Fi antennas to actually implement this solution. And Wi-Fi antennas being so easily available amongst all these smart devices keeps our costs very low and makes the system easily integrable into existing smartwatch infrastructure. Our team is very well placed to take this technology further. We have a radio frequency expert who is also a PCAS winner. We have a world-class cardiorespiratory expert, and 3 very talented students, each with skills in AI, ML, sensor fabrication, and physiology. Our market positioning right now spans across 3 sectors, from critical care to routine medical care and fitness. Our current strategy is to focus on women with preeclampsia. Preeclampsia refers to women who are suffering from gestational hypertension, and it usually ends up affecting women of color mostly. From there, we will be expanding into other medical markets. On the regulatory front, we will be applying for a traditional 510K, since we already have a predicate identified. Our path to market involves building our team further to improve our product, make an MVP, use that for user trials, and then use that data to apply for FDA approval. Join us on a journey to make medical critical care more equitable and inclusive, and help us overcome this injustice. Thank you.
Well, thank you for the presentation. Very nice. Thank you. My question is around the spectrum between clinical relevance and good enough, right? Especially when it gets to continuous monitoring data and stuff. I saw some of those specific conditions where this will be clinically very relevant.
Yeah.
How big is this market? Or the reason I'm asking this question is also understanding if, as in any AI system, your goal is to collect the data first, why wouldn't you go into a low-risk market, collect the data, and then come back and focus that on a high-risk market, which is on the medical side?
So we believe that focusing on a preeclampsia market would be beneficial to help us also set our credibility. We are confident that we will be able to meet the clinical standards. And using that, once we have established ourselves in the preeclampsia market, then we should be able to expand out into the general blood pressure market more easily, rather than trying to encompass everyone in the beginning. So yeah, I think it's...
If you don't mind, one follow-up, what is your number one hurdle right now?
Sorry, what?
What's your number one gating factor to go at scale right now?
We need to build an MVP. And for that, we need more engineers to do signal processing and also make a mechanical device. Because this is a non-contact platform, we need some more engineers to actually develop a prototype that can be used everywhere. And also, I think we want to partner with industry, so that if we partner with industry, then we'll be able to scale up really quickly. But if we are trying to go on an individual path, then we will need more engineers on our team and then develop a prototype then apply for the FDA, which is going to take some time, and then get into the market.
Thank you, Nila.